So if you saw the repair video to this, Fidelity 2001 Cybernet 002F, genuine board made in Japan, and hopefully Mr. Chippie might well be out there, so we'll go and see him on Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Right, I'll try with the right mic now.
Picked up the wrong mic, did we?
Yeah, you're a bit early for the start.
Yeah, I just was all ready for once.
Roger, well, I'm not in position anyway.
Roger on that. Right, I've got my extension speaker plugged in.
Roger that, boys and shortly.
Roger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. Right, I'll do this tone control then.
Roger that, so we're heading up the road as always, past Woody's lay-by, and my APRS thing's making a racket and I'm not sure why.
Yeah, I did hear something in the background. Right, there we are, that's done.
Roger that, just let me pull over and deal with that, there's something not right with it.
Roger, standing by.
Right, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, I expect we're quite late.
Yeah, we're up to that 8:10-ish. Yeah, your signal's fine now. I just wonder if it was proximity to you.
Yes, they must have been blowing your window there.
Roger the Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Yeah, I mean this isn't a dodgy set, you bought it off eBay and it had wires dangling out the back, so it needed a power connector doing and I've done the volume control, which was changed the meter lamp. You know, it needed a tune-up, but there's nothing dodgy, it's a genuine set over.
Yeah, roger all that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down here towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. It's coming with a power line. I can't get that to work, I'm trying to back it in. We'll go through to the end, but this will be a blank carrier, I'm sure.
Yeah, roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, loud and clear on going around Scratchy Corner at Wilford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, loud and clear on going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a 1981 Fidelity 2001, which is the Cybernet 002F chassis, made in Japan size, and Cybernet. On a standard replacement microphone and radio signal 441 output over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger, Dr. Mark.
Over.
Roger, got you going over at Wilford level crossing.
Roger that. Just for your information, it's 1 degree out tonight. That's the coldest I've seen this year. That's 1 degree centigrade. I'm not sure how much that is in American money.
No, my goodness. Glad the building's not cooled down here yet.
Roger that.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Forming as well.
Oh dear, we might see that on the camera.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 hour point. One is Fidelity 2001 from 1981, showing 1.35 amps to deliver a full 4 watt output. Got to go over to low power, which is 260 milliwatts on this set. And here we go, 54321. There we are on low power, 260 milliwatts, and the radio drawing 530 milliamps. Go back to full power. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. Received on both, and the auto squelch coped with it as well.
Yeah, well done for Fidelity. Well done Fidelity, and well done Thunderpole T3000.
Roger that.
You go when you're ready.
Will do. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Oh, it's now 0 degrees.
Well, I wouldn't live out there. Something cold in that 1,000-year-old church I'm playing at the moment.
Oh dear, never mind. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Over level crossing.
Yep, petrol today 149.9, diesel 161.9.
Excellent. Well, it's been a very good test. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Yeah, 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, petrol today 149.9, diesel 161.9.
Excellent. Well, it's been a very good test. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. So that was a day ago. We've now having to record a different ending to this because the customer emailed me when I'd finished it and put up the repair video, and he's got some kind of family problem, and so this repair is being abandoned. Now this can sometimes happen. It's what is known as a frustrated order. It did happen to me in the, I think it was 1989-1990. We got a Sansui valved hi-fi amplifier in for repair, which is still in a shed somewhere if anybody wants me to put it on eBay. Very nice, you know, like 1969, but with valves in it. And that became a frustrated order. Well, this is a frustrated order, so what we're going to be doing is I'm going to clean this up and we're going to put this on eBay with a brand new microphone, which I've just taken out of its wrapper to do this final test, and brand new power lead. So hopefully we'll recover the repair costs by doing that, and you have the opportunity to buy it. That doesn't often happen. I think we've sold one set, which was a CPT base station, in the last 20 years. So I'm just going to go through to Mr. Chippie. He's in the next room, well, 4 rooms away, on the Midland base station. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Go ahead.
Yeah, just checking this works with a brand new mic.
Yep, it's loud and clear.
Thank you. Good, right. We'll do that to base station, and there we go. Very nice radio, and you can own it.
Tango 21, testing the Fidelity CB2001FM with a brand new microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the final little switch on the back will go to low power as a hum test.